Assalamu alaikum students, this is Dr. Imran Hassan. Today I'm going to teach you the sowing of cosmos, flowering plant, annuals and brinjal vegetables because they are sown by seeds. So how we fill up the plants, I will prepare the medium. For example, this is the medium, if you can have a look. This is prepared by 3 portions of soil and farmyard manure and sweet soil, जिसे हम दरिया मिट्टी भी कहते हैं. So that is prepared already. Now it will be the pots will be filled by this medium, and before this we will keep the hard pan within the pot, as there is a hole. You can see the hole, so this hole to be covered so that the water should be drained out slowly, and please do it. And now the stones are being put in the pots of 10 inches. So after that we will fill this medium, prepared medium, fertile medium, which has 1 portion of soil, 1 portion of farmyard manure well rotted, and 1 portion of sweet soil. So now it will be filled. The medium will be filled in the soil pots, earthen pots. You can see the pots are being filled with fertile medium, and we will keep upper half of inch free. So because after we need to sow the seed, then we fill the peat moss, cover the seed with peat moss, and by application of water there will be soil will be pressed. So this is how the pots are being filled. So now you will level this place. Use a leveler. You can see how the leveler is used for the leveling of this soil, topsoil of the pot. Yes, next. You can see the soil is being leveled from the top. Yes, very nicely, firmly it is being pressed. The next. So this is the practice we can do with the variety of the summer vegetables and flowers in the season, because the spring season and February March we go for the summer flowers, different variety of summer flowers like cosmos, zinnia, different colors, and summer vegetables like brinjal, tomato, chilies, and we can also do indirect sowing on the beds of cucumber, prepared beds, and of cucurbit, and gourd groups, tinda gourd, long melon. So these varieties of the summer vegetables can be sown in this season. So now we are going to sow the cosmos flowering annual. So it is good if we take counted seeds, 10 seeds per pot, so we can calculate the germination percentage if we know the seeds, how many seeds we have sown. That's good. So the next pot, right, and the next. So these sown seeds could be germinated after 1 or 2 weeks depending on the nature of the plant. Now these will be covered with the peat moss. You can see. So that enhances the germination because it is porous soil, fertilizer. So this is usual practice. You can also use the soil to cover, but maybe this is a bit hard for germination, and the germination percentage could be comparatively less. But if you use the peat moss, that encourages the germination. Next. Yes, you can see the application of peat moss. Right. So we have done the sowing. After that we will practice the watering, the sprinkling. Whenever you sow the seeds, apply the cuttings in the soil, always go for application of water by sprinkling. Mist is better. Yes, so light irrigation is required for this. Now you can see after 3 weeks the seedlings has been encouraged of the Cosmos, and this is the stage. After 3 weeks we have in different parts already prepared the seedlings. Then after 6 weeks, that is the growth of the seedlings of Cosmos. So you can calculate the age of the plant by this. Okay, now we are going to sow the brinjal seeds in spring. The counted seeds are sown in the filled pot by the prepared medium, and this is how the seeds are scattered. If counted, then you can calculate the germination percentage. Normally in experiments we do for counted seeds, so we can calculate the percentage of germination. Now after sowing, now we'll cover with the peat moss similarly as we done before. One by one we are filling the pots with this fertilizer. This is the fertilizer which encourages the seed germination. Although we can use the soil to cover the seeds, but the better practice is use this peat moss. Very firmly it is being done. So that is the practice is done, the seed sowing and covering of the seed with peat moss. Now we will irrigate slowly the little water. Yes, this is how we have sown the seed of brinjal in this nursery of Aarey University. And this is the summer vegetable. Basically we say spring vegetable, and like tomato and brinjal, chilies. So but summer vegetables, they are basically cucumber, bitter gourd, tina gourd, and long gourd, and so on. So this is the practice we have done. And next we will move for different summer flowers after a month or 1.5 months, different stages, how they are growing in the nursery. Please, you can see marigold in 7-inch pots, plastic pots, well prepared, and its age is about 4 to 5 weeks. The vegetative growth of the plant, they will be flowering after 2.5 months. Anthra, that's a good ground coverage, ornamental plant to cover any ugly place with this